Good morning, guys. Just wanted to show y'all a new gadget that got here on the farm. I've had it a little while, but never really have got it out and played with it. So we charged it up and took it outside, and I'm gonna give y'all a little view of the farm area here, the area we live in East Texas. I'll give you an idea of surroundings. It's the first time I had a view like this from here. So hopefully I'm going to learn to fly the drone a little better and be taking some drone shots, drone footage, get some good angles maybe. It's a lot to fly one of these little things. I used to fly helicopters and airplanes. This drone's just a little different. It'll just take a little time to figure it out, but cool shots of the house there, the solar system. While I got this minute, I just wanted to say thanks to all of y'all guys for stopping by and watching the videos. I noticed the other day that the channel actually hit 2,000 subscribers. I really want to say thanks to all of y'all guys that stopped by, that's hit the subscribe button, that watch, that leave a comment, participate. That's what it's all about. I just wanted to show people out there how we do what we do, our homestead, our farmstead, maybe help y'all in some of the decisions y'all are making, trying to build your homestead, farmstead, wanting to go off grid. We do a little bit of all of that here, cannon to off grid to homestead to animals to gardening, now even flying. So I just want to say thanks again, guys, for all y'all stopping by, watching the videos. I do appreciate it. Y'all leave a comment down below. I like it when everybody participates, answer questions, solve problems. Great little device here. It's the DJI Mavic Mini. I picked it up from a friend a couple of months ago. Like I said, just hadn't had time to play with it, but looks pretty cool. Got a good camera on it, so we'll be learning to fly it. I've ordered some extra batteries. But thanks again, guys, for y'all stopping by and watching, participating in the videos. I really do appreciate it. Thanks for the 2,000 subs. We'll be giving something away for it here soon. So tune back in. Hit that like button. Subscribe if you hadn't. Most everybody that views is not a subscriber. Hit that button. It doesn't cost you nothing. Thanks for watching, guys. More to come. Appreciate it.